Welcome to our first lesson of African drum with singing. Today, we are going to continue with the second verse of Iyeza Imitente. So now, I'm going to sing the second verse, and then after, we are going to sing it all together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Uzizwile zikhova zikhalile zintabeni Iyeza imitente uyola lungalele wena ndoda ngoba unovalo uyizwile imitente. Now we are going to try it all together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Uzizwile zikhova zikhalile zintabeni Iyeza imitente uyola lungalele wena ndoda ngoba unovalo uyizwile imitente. Uzizwile zikhova zikhalile zintabeni Iyeza imitente uyola lungalele wena ndoda ngoba unovalo uyizwile imitente. So now we are going to sing it while playing the African drum. I hope you guys still remember the drum beats. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Uzizwile zikhova zimemezile zintabeni Iyeza imitente uyola lungalele wena ndoda ngoba unovalo uyizwile imitente. Uzizwile zikhova zimemezile zintabeni Iyeza imitente uyola lungalele wena ndoda ngoba unovalo uyizwile imitente. Uzizwile zikhova zimemezile zintabeni Iyeza imitente uyola lungalele wena ndoda ngoba unovalo uyizwile imitente. Uzizwile zikhova zimemezile zintabeni Iyeza imitente uyola lungalele wena ndoda ngoba unovalo uyizwile imitente. We are going to try it again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Uzizwile zikhova zimemezile zintabeni Iyeza imitente uyola lungalele wena ndoda ngoba unovalo uyizwile imitente. Uzizwile zikhova zimemezile zintabeni Iyeza imitente uyola lungalele wena ndoda ngoba unovalo uyizwile imitente. This is the end of our first lesson of African drum with singing. If you are interested in learning more with us, you can hit the like button, comment and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.